May airsoft gun. May suppressor. Ito na. Christian. This bottle, you need to cut this in half. Then put the tissue paper inside. Try to tape it. Then haven't finished it. I only need this part only. So let's test it with my gun. My airsoft gun. First, without the silencer. Now, with the silencer, there's a big difference. My latest discovery. Did you heard it? It's my suppressor. Easy to make. But for me, first time. Oh, third time. It's hard. Very hard. This is Chai0915 aka this my silencer. Bye YouTube.